Friends, now to solve this expression we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. Brackets, O stands for of, orders, D stands for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression, we'll break it down by the step-by-step solution. Now in step 1, simplify the round bracket. So we start with the innermost grouping. Inside the round bracket, we must follow the order of division, then multiplication and then subtraction. So first we'll divide the expression 99 divided by 9 multiply 9 minus 9. So 99 divided by 9 it's 11. And then after we multiply, so 11 multiply by 9 it becomes 99. And after we subtract, so 99 minus 9 equals to 90. Now the expression becomes 99 minus square bracket 99 minus curly bracket 99 plus 90. Now the square bracket off. So in this step 1, we solve the innermost brackets first to reduce the complexity of the expression from the inside out. Now step 2, simplify the curly brackets. Now we focus on the operation inside the curly brackets. There is a addition. So first we do 99 plus 90. So is equal to 189. Now the expression becomes is 99 minus square bracket 99 minus 189. So in step 2 we focused BODMAS. The curly braces are the next level of grouping to be cleared after the round brackets. So step 3, simplify the square brackets. Next we perform the subtraction inside the square brackets. So there is a 99 minus 189 and is equal to 90, but the answer is negative because the larger digit has a negative sign. Now the expression becomes 99 minus square bracket minus 90. So in this step 3, the square brackets are the outermost grouping. This gives us a single numerical value to work with the final operation. Now step 4, final subtraction. So when you subtract a negative number, it becomes addition. Like negative plus negative, it becomes addition. So 99 plus 90 is equal to 189. So 189 is the final answer. Now conclusion by the systematically breaking down the brackets from the inside out and the following the hierarchy of operations, division before multiplication etc. we ensure the calculation should be accurate and the final answer is 189 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.